So, did you hear about the drummer? He just had 2 daughters. He's so proud. Can you guess their names? Anna 1, Anna 2. All right, let's get to the video. What up guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. For today's quickie recipe, it's truly a quick one. In fact, my goal is to get your entire lunch prep for the week in just 30 minutes today. It's gonna be in and out of the kitchen. It's just that simple. So the main recipe for today is an orange flavored sweet chili sauce, and then you get to choose your choice of protein. So you can use chicken, you can use shrimp, you can use beef, you can even use tofu. The choice is up to you. All right guys, this is going to be lightning fast, but really easy, and you're gonna be pumped to make this recipe. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get those hands dirty, then let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is we are going to make our orange chili sauce. So we're gonna take an orange and just squeeze out all of that juice. No worries if some of the pulp gets in, because that's just gonna make it that much better. All right, now we get the orange juice in there. We're gonna add in some chili garlic sauce. If you want to use sriracha, you can, but I think this is the best thing to use because that way you don't have to add anything else. Add in a little bit of sweetness, some coconut sugar. And then last but not least, we're gonna pour in some sesame oil. If you're trying to save on some cost, you can try some peanut oil. Bring it to a light simmer, then to some arrowroot, we're gonna add in a splash of water, mix it up until it's nice and slushy. You already knew this is a saucy recipe. I'm gonna add in some arrowroot. If you don't have arrowroot, you can also add in some cornstarch or some tapioca starch. And then remove this from the heat to thicken up. And as it cools down, it's gonna continue to thicken. And if you let it cook on the heat too much, it's gonna become really gooey and slimy. And the final addition to this sauce, is just to help to balance out the flavors, is to add in a splash of vinegar. This is some apple cider vinegar, or you could even use some rice vinegar. I don't like to have a whole bunch just because, you know, I hate the taste of vinegar. I strongly dislike it, but it does help to balance flavors very well, especially whenever you have something that's very salty but also very sweet. Okay, so the sauce is made, just took about 5 minutes. Now let's move on to the rest of our meal prep. So grab yourself some rice cauliflower, some frozen, pop this into the microwave for about 4 to 6 minutes, and while that's cooking, we are going to cook up some asparagus. So now we got the sauce done, we've got the asparagus finished up, and the cauliflower is cooling down in the microwave. We've spent about 10 minutes already. Now it's time for the protein. Just pick the protein that you want. Lean beef, chicken breast, some shrimp, or keep it plant strong with tofu. Spray a nonstick skillet with a little bit of oil and toss in your choice of protein. Try some extra firm tofu. Get a nice sear on that tofu. Or maybe your team chicken. Or maybe you are team lean beef. I like mine medium rare, so this right here is looking just about right. Or lastly, maybe you are team seafood. How about some jumbo shrimp? All right, so we're about 15 minutes in. Now let's bring everything together. Add in our cauliflower rice, some of our grilled asparagus, and then your choice of protein. Here's some beef. And finally, add in some of our chili sauce. Oh. Or add in some chicken, and then some more sauce. Or some shrimp, and then some sauce. Or keep it plant strong with some of your grilled tofu. If desired, garnish with a little bit of sesame. Boom! All right guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that y'all really enjoyed it. Remember to store your homemade sauce in an airtight container in the fridge. All right guys, if you like videos like this, then I invite you to smash that like button below. And I also invite y'all to comment below how you would tweak this meal prep to to either enhance the flavor or maybe even to get it less than a 30-minute complete meal prep. Meal prep can be a lot of fun. It can be a great way to learn about food, but it does not have to be exhausting, meaning you don't have to spend tons of time in the kitchen. So remember to tweak the recipes and to tweak the prep for you, not only for your taste buds, for your lifestyle, but also for your time. You can make it work. You always have time for your health. Remember to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post hot new content here on the channel. Until next time, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Ooh! Bye, guys.